But the other sort of more practical things that hold people back is that a heat pump costs more than a gas boiler, and I think the average price in the UK is somewhere in the £13,000, and then the government grants takes £7,500 off that, but you're still left with a few £1,000s more than a gas boiler. And let's face it, most families don't have a few £1,000s lying around. Even if it would mean that that investment would pay itself back several times over simply by running more efficiently than so it does create this divide that the people who have money can buy better technology and save even more money, and the people that don't have money, they get stuck with old technology that's going to cost them more.